Black holes, they're one of the most difficult concepts to understand. A place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. So is there really something inside a black hole? And if there is, what exactly is it? Black holes are formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. This process is so powerful that it compresses the entire star into a single point. When this collapse happens, it forms a tiny point known as the singularity. It's the point where everything is packed together, and the gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. Once something crosses this boundary, it's pulled directly into the black hole. This phenomenon is called light bending. Near a black hole, even light gets twisted by its strong gravity. That's why we can't see black holes directly. They're invisible because light gets sucked inside them. As something approaches the black hole, time starts to slow down. This is the concept of time dilation. As you get closer to the event horizon, time begins to move more slowly. Now, if a person were to fall into a black hole, they would undergo a process called spaghettification. The extreme gravitational forces would stretch their body out, turning them into something resembling spaghetti. These are the theories we've understood so far, but what's actually happening inside the black hole? We still don't know. Is there a new universe inside, or something even stranger? It's a question that might remain unsolved forever. So, what's inside a black hole? We still don't have the answer, but this mystery will always pull us in, drawing us closer, no matter how much we try to understand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts below and tell us what topic you'd like us to explore next. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.